Hello, Nick Sherba with ABH. Thank you for watching this short video regarding our overhead stops. We will be going over what and why they are used, the different types, the functions, as well as how to order the correct ABH model for your given application. Overhead stops consist of three main components: your jam bracket, your arm, and your channel. The jam bracket is this piece right here that goes up into the header of the frame. Your channel is the portion that goes to the top of the door. Its primary goal is to stop the swing of the door at a certain point to help protect the door, wall, other hardware, or any material behind the door. It is used on high frequency openings, or if there is not a perpendicular wall that's adjacent, where you can mount a wall stop. There are two main types of overhead stops: concealed units and surface mounted units. Concealed overhead stops require preps to be made to the header of the frame for the jam bracket and the top of the door for the channel. They can also be used on double acting doors. Surface overhead stops are applied to the surface of your frame and the surface of your door. Overhead stops are also offered in medium duty, heavy duty, or sometimes extra heavy duty. The correct application for the opening is determined by the frequency of use as well as the door information: your door height, your door width, your door weight. Those all come into play when choosing the correct unit. Three functions of overhead stops that ABH offers: your hold open, your friction, and your stop. Hold open function is used when you want the swing of the door to stop at a certain point and then have the door be held open at that point. A friction function has a tension adjustment screw where you can actually adjust the tension to and from its stopping point. The stop function allows the door to swing freely until it hits its stopping point, hence bouncing off a spring similar to a wall stop. When ordering the overhead stop from ABH, you need to know the following things. You need to know the overhead series you would like to use, your frame opening size, how the door is hung, and your desired function. Once this information is known, you can determine the correct model by looking at the chart here. If you still need assistance by figuring out the correct model for your application, please don't hesitate to give us a call. 630-875-9900. Someone in the office would love to help you out. Appreciate your time for watching this video and tune in for the next one.